Welcome back to AutoMotor Reviews, where classic meets cool and innovation meets timeless design. Today, we're stepping back in time to explore one of the most iconic trucks ever built, a piece of pure American automotive history that still turns heads more than 7 decades later. This is the 1951 Chevrolet 3100, a pickup that captured the spirit of post-war America and remains a symbol of strength, simplicity, and craftsmanship to this day. When you first lay eyes on the 1951 Chevy 3100, there's an immediate sense of nostalgia. It's a truck that looks like it came straight out of an old postcard, the kind of vehicle that built farms, moved goods, and carried families through the golden age of the American dream. The styling is unmistakably 1950s, yet it's aged like fine wine. That signature rounded front end, the bold horizontal chrome grille, and those big, wide fenders give it a personality that feels both rugged and charming. The proportions are spot on, with a curvy cab, smooth body panels, and that classic step-side bed that became an icon for generations. The 1951 model was part of Chevrolet's Advanced Design series, which ran from 1947 to 1955, marking Chevy's first major redesign after World War II. It represented a new era of optimism, a time when trucks weren't just tools for work, but symbols of progress and reliability. The front end carries that massive chrome Chevrolet badge proudly across the hood, while the simple round headlights are framed perfectly in sculpted bezels. The hood itself features a split design that adds to the vintage character, and the large steel bumper gives the truck that tough, utilitarian look that reminds you this machine was built to last. Around the sides, the flowing fenders and simple lines give it an almost Art Deco aesthetic, a rare balance between form and function. The truck was available in a variety of colors back in the day, from Swift Red to Forester Green, Transport Blue, and Jet Black, each reflecting the era's post-war vibrancy. Many enthusiasts today go for two-tone paint jobs or polished restorations that highlight the craftsmanship of the steel body and chrome trim. Step inside, and the interior tells the same story of simplicity and function. This wasn't a luxury vehicle, it was designed to work hard, but Chevrolet still managed to make it feel welcoming. The cabin layout is straightforward, featuring a large steering wheel with a slender chrome horn ring, an elegant instrument cluster with classic analog gauges, and simple but durable materials that stood the test of time. The bench seat offers enough space for 2 or 3 people, depending on the configuration, and everything inside feels mechanical and purposeful. Of course, many restored versions today include modern updates like better upholstery, improved insulation, or even air conditioning, but the original design remains iconic. It's that raw, authentic experience, the sound of the doors closing, the hum of the inline engine, the smell of steel and oil, that keeps enthusiasts coming back. Under the hood, the 1951 Chevrolet 3100 came with the legendary Thriftmaster 216 cubic inch inline-6 engine. This sturdy motor produced about 92 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque, modest by today's standards but more than capable for the time. It was paired with a 4-speed manual transmission or, in some cases, a 3-speed column-shift gearbox. The Thriftmaster was known for its dependability, running smoothly even under heavy load, and was simple enough to repair with basic tools, a huge advantage in an era before computerized diagnostics. Later restorations often swapped in the more powerful 235 cubic inch engine or even modern V8 conversions, giving the 3100 a serious boost in performance while maintaining its timeless charm. But no matter the setup, there's something magical about hearing that old inline-6 roar to life. It's pure mechanical music. The suspension system was a classic solid front axle with leaf springs all around, built to handle rough roads and heavy payloads. It wasn't about comfort, it was about resilience. And yet, even by today's standards, the truck's handling feels surprisingly composed when restored properly. With rear-wheel drive and a sturdy ladder frame chassis, the 3100 was designed for durability, which is exactly why so many examples still exist today. In terms of capability, the 1951 Chevy 3100 could haul up to 1,000 pounds in the bed and tow respectable loads without breaking a sweat. Farmers, small business owners, and tradesmen relied on it daily. It was affordable, tough, and easy to maintain, three qualities that made it one of the best-selling trucks of its time. The model also came with small but meaningful improvements over earlier versions. For 1951, Chevrolet introduced vent windows for better cabin airflow, a more efficient heater system, and upgraded door locks. Simple changes, but they reflected Chevy's attention to practicality and comfort. In the modern day, the 1951 Chevrolet 3100 has become a collector's favorite. Restored or customized examples fetch strong prices at classic car auctions, and its popularity among hot rodders and classic truck builders continues to grow. Enthusiasts appreciate its honest mechanical nature and timeless design, a true blank canvas for creativity. As for market availability, you won't find these in dealerships, of course. Instead, you'll have to turn to classic car auctions, private collectors, or restoration specialists. Depending on condition, originality, and modifications, prices can range widely. A project truck might cost between $10,000 and $20,000, while a fully restored example can easily reach $60,000 or more. Custom builds with modern engines, suspension, and interiors can go past $100,000, especially if they blend old-school looks with modern performance. What's truly fascinating is how versatile the 3100 remains. Whether you're keeping it period correct, turning it into a restomat, or using it for weekend cruises, it never loses its charm. It represents a time when vehicles were built with passion, not computers. When design was about curves and metal, not plastic and pixels. The 1951 Chevrolet 3100 isn't just a pickup, it's an experience. Every curve, every sound, and every shift of the gear lever tells a story. It's the kind of truck that connects you to the road, to history, and to a simpler time when driving was pure and mechanical. So if you're a fan of timeless design, honest craftsmanship, and the kind of vehicle that turns every drive into a nostalgic adventure, the 1951 Chevy 3100 deserves a spot on your dream list. If you enjoyed this look back at a true American classic, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with fellow car lovers, and subscribe to AutoMotor Reviews for more stories, deep dives, and reviews that celebrate the machines that defined eras and continue to inspire the future.